Top quality enterprise with advanced technology. Sewoon Mulsan Corporation. LED warning light for construction machinery. Since it uses low current LED and consumes less electricity, it is recommended to excavator, tractor, cultivator. Compared to halogen, it has semi-permanent lifespan. It also has excellent light distribution ability. With our lamp, you can clearly check the driving vehicle. In particular, it is effective to prevent vehicle accidents by simply attaching lamp to a cultivator or agricultural machinery during the farming season. Top quality enterprise with advanced technology. Sewoon Mulsan Corporation.